This is a GCSE Biology question about plants and plant cells. It says figure 3 shows a plant cell drawn to scale. So we've got the plant cell, we've got chloroplasts identified, and the question says where in the plant would the cell in figure 3 be found? So if we look at this cell first of all, chloroplast has been identified. Now a chloroplast is involved in photosynthesis, plants making glucose using carbon dioxide and water and absorbing sunlight. So photosynthesis needs sunlight. Therefore it needs to be in a part of a plant that is also going to receive sunlight, so it's not going to be in the roots, and is able to carry out photosynthesis. Right, the choices we've got are where this plant cell can be found. This is where in a plant would the cell figure 3 be found, and we've got a choice of epidermis, palisade mesophyll, phloem, xylem. If we go through these, xylem are dead cells. They're hollow and they have no cell contents. Now we've clearly said that our cell has got cell contents, it's got chloroplasts. Alright, so we know it's not going to be xylem. Xylem's involved in the transport of water. Phloem is involved in the transport of food, glucose, and it's found on the inside of shoots and roots, and therefore it has no function for producing any food whatsoever for the plant. It's transport of glucose, not production, so we know it's not going to be phloem. The epidermis is the top layer and the bottom layer of a leaf, and the epidermis is transparent in a plant to allow the light to pass through. Therefore it's not going to trap the light for photosynthesis. Therefore it's not going to contain chloroplasts. So we know it's not the epidermis, so therefore it must be the palisade mesophyll. Now in terms of the structure of a leaf, you've got the epidermis on top, and then below the epidermis you have palisade cells all lined up with chloroplasts, and that's so that sunlight can pass through, hit the top of the leaf. The first layer of the leaf that the light hits is the palisade cells, and those chloroplasts can then absorb sunlight and carry out photosynthesis. So we'd find plant cells with chloroplasts in the palisade mesophyll. 1 mark.